Ahoy there, adventurers! Ready to embark on a thrilling journey? Have you heard of Tilted.xyz? It's the latest buzz in the gaming community. It's a really cool platform where you can dive into the world of digital game assets. Imagine a marketplace brimming with endless possibilities. It's like a treasure chest full of digital goodies waiting for you to discover and explore. Tilted.xyz is built on something called the Binance Smart Chain, a robust and efficient blockchain. This makes it super secure and easy to use, ensuring your transactions are safe and swift. But here's the really exciting part. Tilted.xyz is like a special layer on top of the Binance Smart Chain, enhancing its capabilities. This special layer is made specifically for something called real-world assets, bridging the gap between virtual and reality. These aren't your average digital items. They hold real value and significance. Imagine owning a piece of your favorite game or having a say in how a new game is made. That's the power of real-world assets. It's a game changer for gamers and developers alike. Ready to embark on your Tilted.xyz adventure? First things first, you'll need to create your very own account. It's super easy. Just head over to the Tilted.xyz website and look for the sign up button. Once you've created your account, it's time to connect your Binance Smart Chain wallet. Don't worry if you don't have one yet. There are plenty of great options out there. Connecting your wallet allows you to securely store and manage your digital assets on Tilted.xyz. Think of it like your trusty backpack, keeping all your treasures safe and sound. Now that you're all set up, let's dive into the exciting world of Tilted.xyz. The platform is designed like a game, with quests, challenges and rewards around every corner. The user interface is very user-friendly. You'll find everything clearly laid out, making it a breeze to navigate, even if you're new to the world of blockchain gaming. One of the coolest things about Tilted.xyz is the gamified experience. As you explore the platform and complete tasks, you'll earn experience points and level up your profile. Section 4. Treasures abound, earning NFT rewards for your adventures. Now let's talk about the good stuff, rewards. Tilted.xyz is all about rewarding its users for their participation and engagement. Quests are a great way to earn rewards. These are special tasks that you can complete to earn experience points, level up your profile, and unlock even more exciting opportunities. But that's not all. As you complete quests and participate in the Tilted.xyz ecosystem, you'll also have the chance to earn NFT rewards. NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, are unique digital assets that represent ownership of something special. Section 5. Beyond the horizon, launching new adventures with Tilted. Tilted.xyz is more than just a platform for trading game assets. It's a gateway to a new digital frontier. It's a vibrant community of gamers, collectors, and enthusiasts, all coming together to share their passion. One of the highlights of Tilted.xyz is the Launchpad, a unique feature that sets it apart. This is where you can get in on the ground floor of exciting new NFT projects, giving you early access to innovative digital assets. It's a chance to discover hidden gems and be a part of something truly special. Something that could grow in value and significance. And for those looking to expand their collection or trade their hard-earned assets, Tilted.xyz also has its own marketplace, a bustling hub of activity. This is where you can buy, sell and trade NFTs with other users from around the world, connecting with a global network of like-minded individuals. Section 6. Join the crew. Embark on your Tilted.xyz journey today. This is your chance to be part of something extraordinary. So, what are you waiting for? The time to act is now. Set sail for Tilted.xyz today and discover a world of exciting possibilities. From cutting-edge technology to immersive gaming experiences, there's something for everyone. To get you started on your adventure, here's a special promo code just for you, VAVEX. This code unlocks exclusive content and features. Use this code when you sign up to unlock some extra perks and benefits. Imagine the possibilities that await you. But the real adventure begins when you join the Tilted.xyz community. Engage with like-minded individuals and explore new horizons together. Connect with other users, share your experiences, and stay up to date on all the latest news and announcements. Be part of a vibrant and dynamic community. You can find Tilted.xyz on all the usual social media channels. Follow us, join the conversation, and happy gaming.